we're going to take a closer look at how you can use Canva's AI tools to spark ideas and speed up workflow. With Canva's homepage open, head to the left-hand toolbar. Between the brand and apps icons, you'll find the Canva AI icon. Click on it to open the What Will You Design Today page. Right beneath the header, you'll see 3 buttons: Your Designs, Templates, and Canva AI, which is selected by default. Underneath, there's a text box where you can either type a prompt or use voice to text. Below that box, you'll find 5 main options: Design for me, Create an image, Draft a doc, Code for me, and Create a video clip. Further down, you'll see 11 rows of example prompts that give you an idea of what's possible. You can click on any of them to explore. Let's start by clicking on a Create an Image example. Canva AI will generate 4 image results based on the prompt. Above the images is a prompt box where you can edit the request, specify an aspect ratio, and choose a visual style. Once the images are generated, click on any one to open it in a new panel. Here you can further edit the prompt, upscale the image, or open it in the Canva editor to tweak design elements or download it to your device or Uploads folder. Let's try another example. Having Canva AI draft a doc. I am going to click on a blog post in the examples Canva has listed. Of course, I could write a prompt myself, but let's use one from the examples below. In just a few seconds, the finished post appears in a clean, scrollable format. Below it, there's an Ask Me Anything box where you can type in a follow-up prompt. Click on the blog post title to open it in a split screen. You won't be able to edit the blog directly here, but you can click Use Canva Editor in the top right to open it in the design space. From there, you can add photos, change fonts, edit text, and customize it however you like before sharing or downloading. Next up is Code for Me. And again, we will click on an example from the list below. You could also write your own prompt in the text box. Canva AI generates HTML, CSS code right in the split screen. You'll see the code generating in the preview on the right. This code took a total of 2.5 minutes to generate, so it may take a while for it to complete. Click Use in a design to move it over to the editor. Canva shows you what the code produces. Let's move on to create a video clip. This one may take a moment to process. When it's done, you'll see the video on the right with a download button at the top, or open it in the Canva editor for further customization, adding music, overlays, trimming, and more. Lastly is Design for Me. Design for Me is essentially an AI-powered template generator. Canva interprets your request and builds the entire layout. I need marketing materials for Bean Bean Coffee House hosting its annual charity fundraiser. I type that into the prompt box and click Design for Me. From the options, I select Marketing, then Poster as my format. Once I click the purple arrow, Canva generates 4 different poster designs. Below those designs are 3 filter buttons: More Designs, Coffee Cup Illustrations, and Bold Colors. Each button gives you a new set of 4 design options based on that theme. Underneath it all is another prompt box if you want to adjust or refine your request. Clicking on a design opens it in a split screen. You can highlight text or elements to make quick changes. Above the design is a color button that opens options like Made for this design, and from recent designs to help you adjust the color palette. When you're ready, click Use Editor to send it into Canva's main design space for full customization, sharing, or downloading. And there you have it. A quick tour of the creative possibilities within Canva AI. It's a powerhouse tool that can jumpstart your projects and help you create faster, smarter, and more creatively. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.